Most people don't think much about their soffit and fascia until there's a problem, like peeling, warping, or even critters sneaking into the attic. But these parts of your home do a lot more than just look nice. They actually protect your roof, improve ventilation, and keep moisture out. So let's break down why James Hardie soffit and fascia are a next level upgrade for Texas homes. Traditional wood soffit can rot or swell when exposed to moisture. Vinyl can crack or warp under the heat. James Hardie soffit and fascia are made from fiber cement, a material engineered to resist all of that. No warping, no rotting, no pest damage, and definitely no repainting every couple of years. So whether it's 105 degrees or a surprise cold front, your home stays protected and your exterior stays looking great. Your attic needs airflow to stay healthy. Without it, moisture builds up, leading to mold and even structural damage. James Hardie's vented soffit panels help air move freely through your attic while standing up to humidity and rain. So instead of trapping moisture like some materials, Hardie Soffit lets your home breathe, and that means a longer lasting roof with fewer repairs. Hardie soffit and fascia come factory primed and ready for paint. The smooth finish resists peeling and fading, so maintenance is basically just a quick wash every now and then. You won't be spending weekends on a ladder, sanding boards, or patching corners, just enjoying an exterior that holds up beautifully for decades. The clean, modern lines of James Hardie soffit and fascia highlight your roof line and pull your whole exterior together. It's subtle, but when you replace worn-out boards with crisp, durable material, your home instantly looks more polished and well cared for. It's the kind of upgrade that catches eyes from the street and adds real value when it's time to sell. When you choose James Hardie, you're not just buying new trim, you're protecting your home from rot, pests, and moisture for decades. It's a small part of your exterior that does a big job. And with the strong warranty that comes with every James Hardie product, you know your investment is protected. So here's the takeaway. If you're ready to protect your home, reduce maintenance, and add lasting curb appeal, James Hardie soffit and fascia are a smart, beautiful choice. If you're in the San Antonio area, schedule a free consultation with our team at Southwest Exteriors. We'll walk your home, answer your questions, and help you find the perfect color and style to match your home. If you're not in the San Antonio area, make sure you leave a comment about James Hardie fiber cement siding as well as soffit and fascia down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want to give you the look you love coming home to.